Hey everyone, so I've been sharing my homemade baby food making journey on social media, and I had a lot of friends who reached out to me and asked me if I would be willing to share my process. So I grabbed my husband, who grabbed a camera and some lighting, and we thought we would show you guys. So I'm just gonna do vegetables in today's video. I do my vegetables and my fruits just a little bit different, and I'll do like another video for fruits later, maybe, or maybe I'll just talk about it. I'm not sure. But anyway, so today I'm doing sweet potatoes and green beans. You can get the frozen in a bag, or you can get just like regular vegetables and like cut them up yourself, whatever works for you. This is what works best for me. And I'm going to be using a pressure cooker. You can just use like a pot of boiling water on the stove. Again, a lot of this is just your personal preference. So to start, we are going to open up the bag. And these are already like washed and ready to go, so you don't have to wash them, but you can if you want to. Maybe wasn't that big enough. And I was gonna see if I could fit both of them in here, but I don't think I can. I think I'm gonna have to do one at a time. Anyway, we'll do the sweet potatoes first. So, wrong way. So I'm gonna put 1 cup of water in the pot and my little steamer basket in here and my lid. And Drew, can you turn it on and press steam and then do 5 minutes and then press start. Okay, and we will catch up with you in 5 minutes. Okay, so now that it's done steaming, I'm going to take the lid off. That was aggressive. And you're going to take your little basket out. And you're just going to go straight in the blender. Like that. And I like to let mine cool for just a little bit. Yes, Adelaide?
What's your passing? What's your passing?
So I'm going to let it cool for just a little bit before I do anything to it. You can, if you have a pressure cooker and it didn't come with a steam basket, mine did not. I just found this at Target for like $14, I think. You can get them on Amazon, wherever they have steel ones too, however you prefer. So while we're letting that cool, I'm going to go ahead and start the green beans. So same thing, just check your water level. It still has plenty in there. I'm just going to dump those in there. Put the lid back on, and then Drew can do the same thing. And I decided on 5 minutes because that's what the bags recommended. If you were saving them in the microwave, which you can also do if the microwave or if the bag says you can steam it in the microwave, you can just do that. Whatever works for you. So now we wait again. Okay, so now that the vegetables have cooled off just a little bit, they're still like warmish, but they're not like steaming. I'm gonna add some breast milk to it. You can add water. You can add like a water formula mixture. Whatever works best for you. I just prefer to use my breast milk. I have some on hand. I think there's about 6 ounces in here. I'm not going to use it all. I'm just going to kind of eyeball it. Sorry if you hear my son in the background. So I'm just going to start with that and see how it looks. And then if I think it needs to be more watery, you can add more liquid. And if you think it needs to be thicker, you can add more vegetables. And I actually have another bag of sweet potatoes. So going to turn this on. I'm not sure what Drew's going to do with the audio here.
What setting do you use?
I use the smoothie extract on my blender, but every blender is different. So whatever gets it to the thinness or thickness of your preference. My kids will be 6 weeks, my kids will be 6 months in a few weeks. So I'm doing it like a really fine puree. If they're like in the stage 2, then you can just kind of make it where it's more chunky, whatever works best for your baby. So I don't know what Drew's gonna do with the audio, but here we go. So it definitely needs more liquid, so I'm gonna add more milk. see if I can not make a mess. Okay. Okay, so now that we got it all blended up, I got this mold off of Amazon. They're similar to the egg white molds that you see. So I'm just gonna fill them up pretty close to the top without spilling anything. Okay, so now I'm just gonna kind of shake it to pack it down. And normally I would have had enough for this one to be filled and this one, but what we did not show in the video is I had a blender mishap. So normally like one bag of frozen vegetables makes 6 little molds, and I think these are 4-ounce molds, and you can get any molds. They don't have to be this shape. I like them because they fit in like little glass jars more easily than like the square ones, because most of the jars are round. But you can get 2-ounce ones, especially like when your baby's just starting off eating, because they don't really eat 4 ounces worth. But we have twins, so it works for us because we just split it 2 and 2.
And these are the silicone ones, right? Like
yes, you can use you can use regular ice trays if you want, or really any kind of any kind of mold. But I like these because they're easy to pop out. So I'm gonna rinse the blender out and then get the green beans out. Okay, so now I'm going to get the green beans and dump them in here, and I'm going to get some more milk. Like I said earlier, any kind of baby safe liquid is completely fine. If they're a little older, you could use juice, especially for like digestive situations. Oh no, this bag has a hole in it. Wow, half that is on my counter now. That's unfortunate. Alrighty. Okay, that should be good. So, same thing.
Yummy.
Okay, that was cool.
I mean, we have spoons. Spoons are things like this.
I know, it's fine. Okay. This particular brand is only 10 ounces, but a 12-ounce bag, if you don't spill it, definitely can get you 6 of these little molds. But this one is only 10 ounce. Okay, so now I'm just going to take this lid, snap it on, and then pop it in the freezer for a few hours or overnight. It is, what time is it? 5:45. I'll probably let it freeze all night. And then it's really simple. Whenever you get it out, obviously they're going to be frozen, and then you just flip it over onto a clean surface. I typically use my cutting board, and then you just pop it out, and then I will show you what it looks like when they're done, because this is not my first batch. So these are what it looks like when they're all done. This is carrots, and so far I just have been storing them in freezer bags. I would like to find an option that doesn't use a lot of plastic bags, so if you can think of anything, let me know. I haven't found something that would work because I'm going to add more carrots to it as I make more, and something that like fits in my fridge. I also want something stackable, so I should probably look into that. Anyway, so I hope this helped you. I hope this answered some of your questions. If you have any more questions, let me know, and I will do my best to answer, and maybe we can do a fruit version very soon. Thanks for watching.